Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we are doing one of my first tutorials that I have put on YouTube. I've done a few other ones. One of them I deleted because I didn't like it. The other one, it got glitched out because my tablet turned off. I think if you watch zombie stories from our channel, you would have seen that, that big skip that we made. We went, episode like, I don't know, 10, when we were on episode 5. We just told you what happened, like some nice good old stuffs, and yeah, that's what happened. So the video, any video, if the device dies during it on that app, I think it'll not do so good. Anyways, I'm gonna give you a tutorial using these skins. First, so I have this guy. I like how he does his stuff, but I'm like, oh my gosh, I don't like how this shirt is so many different colors. Most people probably do, but I'm gonna just do it. So, so I use the dropper right here. Grab one of the colors I want. Grab like one of these squares I want. What square is that one? That square. And then I'm gonna go over here, choose my square, and then color over it, get a little more. I like that color, so I'm gonna use a little more of it, and yeah. Honestly, it kind of looks like he's wet. Ripped pants. Okay, that's one thing. I'm like, it looks ugly now. So, you see this, oh no. You see this back arrow? Right about here. This one. Wait, see, that was a bad X. Let me show you again. Anyways, the back arrow, the one that's, going, the arrow that I have the circle around. That arrow, I'll press because I don't like something I did. So then I'm going to press it. So delete. But then I'm like, it looked better before. Then I'm gonna go to the arrow right under it, and here I'm gonna try circling that too. The arrow right under it, right there. And I'm gonna click that arrow to make it go back how it was before. Raindrops. Then I'm going to I want to copy something. I want to copy his leg. So I'm gonna go to the copy button. One has 2 papers without a check mark right there. So I have the copy. I want to paste it right somewhere right about here. And then I'm gonna press the 2 papers that have the check mark right there. Press those. And then I'm gonna press. I can move it around if I'd like. I want it to go cover half of his eyes. I'm joking, I don't want that. Anyways, he looks beautiful. He's beautiful. Beautiful. OMG. Oh my gosh. I'm joking. Anyways, I'm gonna do that. And then magnificent artwork. Don't you think? Don't you? Anyways, that's one thing. And then I want to make some stuff stick out, like his hair or some pants. So let me grab some blue pants. We'll see how this actually affects his clothes in a minute. But to make this easier, I'm going to use something I taught you. Copy. And then I'm going to just do paste. And paste it again. Paste it right about here. Did you know a thing I like about Skinseed? You can also just play around with your skins if you're like, I don't have Minecraft. You can just be playing around with your skins. I'll show you how you do that later. At the end. Maybe I'll play around a little too. Another, no. Okay, good. Then just copy. 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 Oh my gosh, it's so hard being an awesome kid, isn't it? I'm joking. It's actually pretty easy. All you gotta do is be fun and awesome. And you have that. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is how he looks. Okay, let me show you. You see his pants? It might not look like it, but it does actually, when you press the hat icon that I did to do that, the hat, it's you know, I like to think of it as I'm right here, Bree. I don't know, one of the I don't even know, like maybe a winter hat, and yeah. So like it like sticks out a little, like an afro or whatever. I use it mainly for afros and winter hat stuff. Anyways, I like that. Then I'm gonna export it to Minecraft. I have Pocket Edition, so I'm gonna do Pocket Edition.
Guys.
And I did that. Sometimes me, I like to save it to my photos. I love to save it to my photos. Here. Here's this. What's wrong? Don't worry, baby. Oh my gosh. Sorry about this. It's just... Choo-choo TV? No? You sure you don't want to watch Choo-choo TV? Anyways, okay. So, now I am going to, save it to photos. It's right about here. Not saving as a template. I don't know what that does. Everything I didn't show you, I probably either didn't think I needed to show you, or nobody does. Yeah. Edit name. That's editing the name. And yeah, you can save it for photos. Now I want to give my skin more detail. Give it those itty bitty details. Make it perfecto. I'm gonna duplicate it as 128 and 128. Okay. Then, so that wasn't my eyes. It was from, you know what I mean, right? Now I duplicated it. So now that I've duplicated it, let me zoom in to get these small details. Look how small the detail is compared to those other big details right there. That's the difference in size. Make tiny bitty dots. So I really do like my tiny details, don't I? So tiny square details. I also like that you can literally just make an invisible skin. Don't know if it works or anything, but okay, I'm gonna show you. I can literally with the eraser you erase something you don't like, I don't even want to work on that piece I erased. It's literally invisible. You can see inside of his head. Look inside of his head. Isn't that beautiful? I can see at the back of his head. I should have drawn a brain in the back of his head. As if I did that. Yeah, see, you can literally play around with your skins. Gives them nice, cool stuff. I'm gonna just draw him a brain. Don't worry. Not blood. Brain. It's a brain. Hope you like brains. You should like brains. And then I erase some more. Looks like snow. Beautiful. Look. Oh no. Honestly, that's really all I need to show you. Thank you for watching. You can end the video if you'd like, but please stay to watch me play with my Mr. Yeah, that's how you do it. In fact, okay, first, I'm gonna need to delete these. I don't need these no more. Skinseed changed their way of deleting, I think. So you're gonna go to FYI, you might be like, hey, I can't use this. It's either because you're doing it wrong, or I said it wrong, or Skinseed changed stuff. But I love Skinseed. You should download it if you have Minecraft, or if you just want to play around with your people stuff. Right there. Press that. And then I don't need you. Don't need you or you. And then we have the delete button. There. So I press delete those 3 skins. Then you're like, oh no, I like those skins and I can never get them back. I honestly accidentally did this before, so I'm going to show you. Let me press. I hope this doesn't do anything, but delete. Like, no, I liked him so much. Go to the trash. And then, there he is. So then you have, either you can fully recover your skin and they'll go back to your wardrobe, or you can delete them forever. So I don't want to delete him. I want to recover him. He's recovered. I want to delete all of those. They're deleted. Now, he's back into my wardrobe. Hope you loved the video. Have a nice day. Woo!